Welcome to this exercise on gap analysis. Here we have the following information. We have 3 years of given past data and then 2 years of forecasts for certain product in our company. We have the production quantity, we have the unit prices for which we can sell the product, resulting from this our revenue pool and our profit pool. And well, what should we do in this situation? We get additional information for adjustments of the 2024 estimate. Meaning we have this first estimate which we then have to adjust and take a look what effects the adjustments will have on the profits. Well, first part, sales have to be corrected downwards and will only grow half as strong. Second, our retail prices also have to be adjusted respectively. So they will increase production not by 2,000 units but by 1,000 only. Unit price will not increase by 0.5 but just by 0.25. And third, we have the profit share will drop to 35% from 2024 onwards. So before we had a higher percentage, here we can see this of 40%, now it will drop to 35%. We have to do those adjustments and calculate the resulting gap. So for this, I just copied the 3 parts which impact my forecast, and I copied the original table up to 2023. And then we actually do what I said before. I will correct production and unit prices, so this will only increase by 1,000. This will only increase by 0.25, giving me a new value, new price of 5.5. Profit share will drop to 35% from 40%. So here I take the revenue pool and calculate 35% of this. So multiply this with 0.35, giving me this new profit. This new profit value I'm comparing with the old value of 16,240, and I get a difference of 2,765. This then is my strategic gap. This is more or less where I'm worse off after the adjustment of the forecast than I would have been with my old forecast. Well, that's then already everything to this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed. I say goodbye and see you next time.